Hi everyone, welcome back to Vinafriq, our official African channel for all things African. And this episode is about vintage African hairstyles, your number one go-to on how-to for all your African hairstyles, patewo, shuku, orishabumi, everything, we got you. And today we're going to be doing cornrows, just basic cornrows, like how to just basically braid a cornrow. That's what I'm doing. So I'm not going to do the entire hairstyle because how I cut for cornrows is different. I don't start from the sides, I start from the middle. But let's get into it, right? So if you want to start your cornrows from the side, right, you first have to cut a curve out. As you can see, I'm portioning out a curve because the shape of the head is not straight, so you kind of have to curve it and then it gets skinnier by the bottom, which is why I usually like to start portioning for cornrows from the middle, because it helps you to be able to thin out neatly and partition appropriately. So I've portioned this out in a circular format. Hey God, I say circular format. After portioned it out in a curve, so now I'm dividing the hair. So you want to first take your 3 portions, because for braids, for like regular braids, it's 3 portions of hair that you are working with at every time. So you single out your small portion that you want to start with, divide it into 3 portions, and then hold each side. As you can see, you hold one portion, you use your finger to separate the middle portion, and then you use that same finger to hold the 3rd portion. So the middle portion is free, right, to move around. So your middle portion is like what you're using to tie the knots in. Permit me to use that phrase, right? Your middle portion tends to hang loose a lot of times. What your fingers are holding are the 2 side portions at every given time. So once your right hand takes its own portion, it will also take the portion on the left. Once your left hand takes its own portion, it will also take the portion on the right. So you take that middle portion, slip it under, and then grab the portion on the other side. And as you're taking this portion, you're taking a bit of hair to add to it so that it slips down. That's the only English I can use for it, I'm sorry. So it slips down, that's what makes it slip. So you're taking small portions of the hair behind with the hair at the side, and you are scooping these portions out, and then you're taking it under. So remember the movements. The middle hair goes under, you grab the hair on the side with a little portion of hair, right? And then the next middle one gets free. You alternate left, right, left, right. So if you've taken the middle portion to the right here, then your next middle portion is going to the left, right? So as you can see, the middle portion that was on the side now becomes the middle portion on the left. So is pick middle portion, scoop from your left, shift to your right, like that. Pick middle portion, scoop, and scoop. So you're doing a lot of scooping, right, and alternating. That's what gives you the braid. And make sure your hand is nice and firm, not tight. Don't kill people. Don't tighten people's skull and pull their brains out. Just make sure your braid is very firm as you are going. So just keep going. So as you can see, that portion goes under. So I've changed the camera angle, so maybe you can see it better from another angle. So that portion goes under, the middle portion on top goes under. You scoop the one on your left and it goes to your right. Then you now have a free middle portion up there. Then you use your left hand to take that, go under and scoop the portion on the right. You now have a free middle portion up there. It's time for it to go on the right. Right, left, right. Remember, if you've scooped from the left, you're scooping from the right next. So the middle portion goes right, left, right, left, right, left, alternating. So that is how to do a simple cornrow braid. So I'm just going to keep braiding down so that you can keep watching and keep getting the pattern. Don't worry, it's really simple. If you already know how to do a single braid, you'll be able to relate to the scooping portions and whatnot. But if you can't do a single braid, I really hope that you can understand what I mean by the alternative left, right movement. It's a pattern. What you are doing is building a pattern. So is left, middle portion. Remember, it's your middle portion that is moving all around. And you have to, as you are scooping from the back, make sure you are evening out. Make sure that you're not scooping too much so that your braid is even to the end, like how this braid is. So when you come to the end of it, you are just doing under, under, under. You are pushing the middle portion up. You push the next one to the side. Is left, right, left, right. So you are pushing from left to right to the middle. Left, right, push it to the middle. Push the left to the middle, push the right to the middle. Push the left to the middle, push the right to the middle. As you push it to the middle, the one that was already there before, you take it to the side you're coming from. That's what's happening. Left, right, till the end of the braid. So that is it. That's your simple braid cornrow. That's it. So I'm going to scoop out another portion to show you, just to do it again. Yeah, can you see? Nice and round and circular. You can see that the braid went in a circular pattern because that's how people's head shapes are. People's head shapes are not straight, so you cannot cut it as a straight ruler. As you can see, I'm cutting my second portion out and I'm making sure that it's also a semicircular line. I don't say semicircular, circular. You shall get what I mean. I shall follow Jibo Pez's head. So remember, your portions have to be semicircular when you're cutting out cornrows because the head is not straight. So always grease your hair, always grease your roots. It would help to give your hair that shine that it needs. You don't necessarily have to grease the hair itself. If you grease the roots, it will go because what you're weaving is down the roots. So as you can see here, can you see how I just scooped it out? That's a professional scooping. I just scooped out 3 portions and then I'm starting my braid. So middle braid goes to the left and then picks from the right. Middle braid goes to the right and scoops from the left. Middle braid goes to the left, scoops from the right. Middle braid goes to the left, goes to the right and scoops from the left. Yeah, scoop from the left. Middle braid on the left, scoop from the right. Middle braid on the right, take it under, scoop from the left. Middle braid on the left, take it under, scoop from the right. Middle braid, scoop under, scoop from the left. Middle braid on the left, under, scoop from the right. Middle braid under, scoop from the left. Middle braid under, scoop from the right. Middle braid under, scoop from the left. Middle braid under, scoop from the left. Middle braid under, scoop from the right. And remember to be scooping little bits of hair as you are going. When you are scooping, you're not just scooping the braid under, you're scooping little portions of hair from behind so that it keeps going and forming the pattern and forming the braid. So it keeps going and forming the braid pattern that you can see. So just remember this song on your head as you are going. Middle braid is the one moving around. Middle braid, scoop from the right. Middle braid, go under, scoop from the right. Middle braid, go under, scoop from the left. Middle braid, go under, scoop from the right. Middle braid, go under, scoop from the left. Middle braid, go under, scoop from the right. Middle braid, go under, scoop from the left. Middle braid, go under, scoop from the right. Middle braid, go under, scoop from the left. I wish I had a beat for my song. So yeah, that's basically it. So I know people are looking for gist today. There's no gist today. Today is all about learning. Not every time amebo, sometimes just actual learning. But really, what's the gist? There's no gist, guys. There's no gist. I looked at my life and I realized that I might be out of gist. I'm just joking. No, I'm not out of gist though. But I just felt like the video was a little too short for me to enter any sort of gist right now. So I really hope that this video was helpful. The pattern continues. I tried to do different angles so maybe you can see it. I really hope that is a helpful one. So I'll try to do like a full cornrow braid tutorial because I realized that is a necessary part of hair braiding. Cornrows, everybody wants to know how they can do their hair. Like even if you know how to do the basic braid, you can braid your hair yourself. You don't have to go to especially for people that wear wigs a lot. It's like a really cool life hack. Like just braid your hair yourself and don't stress yourself and just wear your wigs and go out. So yeah, this is what you do. I hope this angle is better for visuals. Yeah, so that's basically it. You scoop to the end. You scoop to the end. Scoop to the end. We don't do no wuggle wuggle here. We don't do no wuggle wuggle here. Everything straight, 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 straight. So yeah. Now when you get to the end of it, remember left, right, yes, going under, left, right, left, under, right, under, left, under, right, under, left, right. And the middle braid is the one that is just shifting from hand to hand. You push from under and then have your braid. So yeah, nice, neat, clean cornrows for natural hair. Her hair was actually quite due, guys. It still they shine. The braid shine. The braid shine. The all back shine. So yeah, that's how it is. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Share the video. Check out our other videos. We have different hairstyles on the channel. There's shuku, there's orishabumi, there's the Fulani hairstyle. Just go through the channel. There's so many things. And then for parents out there, there are games for kids also, like different outdoor games for kids and whatnot. So just enjoy yourself, have fun on the channel, browse through, learn as much as you need on Vinafriq. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, please. Thanks. Thanks very much. Bye.